Comparing averages, exam question revised for your level 2 functional skills maths. Eve and Stefan each take part in a quiz. Every week they took at their scores in the first 12 levels that the quiz takes place. They look at their scores in the first 12 weeks, then the quiz takes place. Here is a summary of the data for Eve. So we got range 15, mean 41.25. The frequency table shows the data for Stefan. So here it says, Stefan says, my scores were more consistent. Is he correct? Give a reason for your answer. You must show your working out here. So here, consistent is linked to the range. So what we need to do here is you need to be careful here, because when you are doing this type of questions in the exam, here you got to be careful because the range is 15 and the mean is 41.25. So be careful of that there, that's a hint. And remember that that consistency is linked to the range. Another key word you can write down, another key word is the range is also known as consistent, which I'll write it down in the description of this video. So here, if we do score 37, 38, 39, 40, so the highest value is going to be 43. So if we do 43, take away the smallest, which is 37. So all you need to do first, if you don't know how to do it in your head, I recommend you do this. So what you do first is you can do 40, take away 3 is 43. Now in your head, you can try and work out the difference. So if you got, 40 take away 43 is 3. So go back another 3 after that, and then that'll give you the answer. So go back another 3. And then, as you all know, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then go back, and then that will give you the answer. And then 43, take away 37 will give you 6. So, yes, we're going to say, is it more consistent? We're going to say yes, because 6 is less than 15. I'm going to say yes, because the range of his score is 6, which is lower than 15. So, yes, because 6 is less than 15. So, Eva says, on average, my scores were higher. Is she correct? You must show you're working out. So here, we need to do this. So we need to do 37 times 1 is 37. 38 times 1 is 38. 39 times 0 is 0. 40 times 4 is 160. Here, this is what you could do. I found another math trick. If you don't know how to put numbers in your head, always find 10 first. Right, so 40 times 3 is 120. Just think of 4 times 3 is 12, and then all you're doing is adding a 0 at the end of it. And what you need to do next is just add another, or the difference between 160, take away 120. So 0 take away 0 is 0, 6 take away 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. So technically, you just add another 40 to it, and then that'll give you 160, just to work out the answer. So it's quite easy to do it that way as well. There's loads of ways to work out numbers in your head, but I find this way a lot easier. Now what I need to do now is we need to work out the mean, because the mean is 41.25, but we need to work out the mean here. So if we do 40 times 4 is 160, 41 times 2 is 82, 43 times 4 is 172. Add these together, that'll give you 489. Now if we add all these together, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 6, 8, 12, so 489 divided by 12 is 40.75. To 2 decimal places or 1 decimal place, you can round to 41, depending what the question wants you to do, but I do suggest that you can round it if you get a bit unsure. So yes, the mean of her score is higher, because if you think about it, 6 is less than 41 and 41 is higher than 6, so it works out perfectly. So there's a question. Remember that comparing averages is also known as doing the mean and range. So just remember, if you get unsure, remember to write any column methods. If you get unsure during the exam, I suggest you highlight the key information, which I'll do in the next video, highlighting important parts of the question.